All right, we're back. Meet your maker. Made with Meat is the social media. This one up. A little closer. All right. First impressions. So we have an instruction manual. Let's see what we got inside this manual. Basic instructions, assembly. Probably not going to assemble it this video. Just a brief overview. Right, instruction manual. Looks like we have the actual unit itself. Let's see, can we get it out here? I'm gonna grab it with my legs. Swing around. Oh. Doesn't look like I can do it one-handed, so I'll be back. All right, everybody, I'm back. So it looks like we have a hopper. And the grinding. I forget what this is called exactly. You can see that grinding auger down in there. Have a few accessories and the actual unit itself. Nice. I've dealt with meat grinders. I never ground meat, but I actually ground salmon for salmon burgers. So this is the 500 watt version. Really excited about this new edition. A couple new tricks up the sleeve. And we have some coarse, and I think that's for the sausage heads, and cap, and some of the sausage dies. So soon here, I'm a little bit tired today after work, but I'm going to actually put it together and grind up some good chuck and make some freshly ground hamburgers. All right, that is the Meet Your Maker 500 watt meat grinder, made with meat.com, an American Outdoors brand corporation, all rights reserved.